All right, so let's start the the lectures of the day. Uh, all right, so let me move to the next slide, which is okay, perfect. So I'm going to explain you what is artificial intelligence, right? In the artificial intelligence, there are two terms, artificial and intelligence, right? So in order to explain you AI, let me explain you the first term, what is knowledge and what is intelligence, right? We understand that the figure and the facts and the amount of information what we have is basically the knowledge, right? And the speed of acquiring this knowledge is basically the intelligence. So these two are two terms, right? The amount of information you have is your knowledge, right? The information, the figure and facts are written on the book, on the internet, in your notebook, in your brain cells, is basically stored information, is basically the knowledge, okay? And the rate at which you acquire this knowledge is basically the intelligence. So these two are two terms. I'll give you one example. Say for example, neither I nor you know the Chinese language, all right? So we are completely blank, okay? And both of us, and maybe all of us, right, sit in a class to learn the Chinese. So some of us may have more knowledgeable, right? But the person who learns Chinese language the first has the is the most intelligent, in that group. So intelligence is basically the rate at which you acquire the more information, right? So how much we know is basically the knowledge, and how fast we know is basically the intelligence. All right. So let me define in that term, let me define, what is AI. All right. So as we have seen, intelligence is the, rate at which you acquire the information. So then what is artificial intelligence? Now we are, developing artificial way of acquiring the knowledge. All right. And this ability, this technology, now we are trying to transfer into a machine. Okay. So this artificial way of enabling the machine to learn something, to experience something, I mean, in very, simplest possible definition of AI, which layman can understand, is where, you are enabling the machine to experience something, to learn something. That artificial way of providing this technology to the machine is basically called the artificial intelligence. You can see in this PDF, right? I mean, in this presentation. Like for example, if we touch a hot iron, all right, I mean, it doesn't give a nice experience, right? But that bad experience is just stored in our brain cell. So whenever we see next time the same hot iron or different hot iron, our brain starts matching our experience with this present hot iron, right? If experience is not good, the brain will not allow you to touch the iron once again, right? So now the same experience in some way, in some, of technical way, now we are trying to let the machine, we are trying to develop a software, we are trying to develop an algorithms, which will help the machine to experience the similar things what up until now this experience was, this capability was only limited to a human. All right. Now we are developing some mechanisms, some methods where we can allow the machine to experience and store, right? So that if the same machine, observe the same situation, it will relate the experience in the stored experience. It will relate the, the context in the stored experience. All right. And this whole system is basically the combination of mathematics, primarily mathematics, and this mathematics is being wrapped up using a software layers. So this combination of mathematics, algorithms and software combined together is called the artificial intelligence. All right. So it's a very, very, very simple definition, right? To make you understand, where even layman can understand. There are a formal definition of AI, of course, what you can find in internet and on the books, right? But the simplest definition, where basically you are enabling a machine through some software, through some algorithms, where the machine can experience some event and has the capability to store the same experience for the future reference, right? So this is what you call basically the artificial intelligence. All right. So there could be different way, right? Now I'm coming to a scientific way of defining the AI. So in a very simple one, the simplest possible definition of artificial intelligence can be, where the AI enable the machine or software, to mimics the human intelligence, right? Like for example, if human can see, now we are enabling the machine to visualize, that is AI. If human can speak, right, can communicate, and using some technology, if you're enabling the machine to speak and to understand the language, this is AI, right? Human can make some decisions, right? And the decision is based on the previous experience, what you call the knowledge. So based on the previous knowledge, the human has the ability to take a decision, right? Now, we are enabling through AI technology, to take a decision based on the previous experience. All right. So what is happening now? Through AI, now the machine can visualize, can see the object and can recognize the object, can identify the object, right? That is the machine vision. All right. Through AI technology, the machine can communicate in your language, right? Classic example is Alexa or the Google Homes. They can communicate to you. The underlying technology is basically the artificial intelligence, right? And now we are enabling the machine through AI technology to make a decision in certain circumstances, all right? And this decision, it will not be a random decision. This decision will be made of course through scientific methods. So this decision will be made based on the previous historical experience, which is stored on the artificial brain cell of the machine. So pretty much like the way human makes the decision, similarly now we are enabling the machine also to make a decision. All right, and this technology is basically called the artificial intelligence. I mean, the example you can see, the what you call the Sophia robot, humanoid robot, a Seymour, it is a Honda robot. So you can have full of information. Internet is full of information about the AI, the definitions, principles, etc. But my objective here is not to make a complex definition of AI. I want you to understand in a simplest possible way, so that all of us, can understand what is AI. So just to summarize, AI is basically a technology, using which the machine can mimics the human intelligence. All right, machine can do the things which otherwise required a human to do the things. All right, so whatever human can do, now we are enabling the machine to perform the same task, right, using technology, and that technology is called artificial intelligence. All right. So there is a very key element, here, because it's an intelligence, and intelligence is basically a learning, right? The way you learn is basically the intelligence. So similarly, the AI machine also learns from the experience. An AI machine may not perform a certain task in the first attempt, all right, but it will acquire more data, it will learn from the experience, and in the second attempt, it will perform better than the previous attempt. All right. So maybe a couple of iterations, maybe 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, maybe 100th iteration, the AI machine, the AI software will perform as accurate or maybe better than a human, right? So this is basically the artificial intelligence. So there are two key elements here. One is basically the learning. If there is no learning, that is not AI. All right. So there should be a learning, and then learning from the previous experience. All right. So that's what you call basically the artificial intelligence. This is specific technology. All right. So you can see here different gadgets, Alexa, Siri, Google Map, etc. All right. Okay, so one very important topic that I want to highlight here, the AI and robotics, because in my previous experience, having a conversation with some non-technical background people, their general perception is that AI and robotics, they are the same. No, they are not the same. All right. AI is basically different. Artificial intelligence is different, and robotics is the different, right? Robotics is basically, in general terms, it's the highest grade of automation. All right. But if that robot, if that machine can learn, from the previous experience, then that is the AI robotics. All right. So pretty much like the car we drive, that's a mechanical car, that's electrical car, right? But that's not an autonomous car, what Google Waymo project, where Google is developing an autonomous car. So autonomous car is an AI car, because that car can make decisions, that car learns from the previous experience, that car has an ability to see the road, to see the surroundings. So that is an AI car. All right. Normal car we drive, most of us, is not an AI car. Similarly, the robotics may be an AI robot, may not be an AI robot. So these two are different. Don't try to, don't confuse that AI and robotic is the same. All right. So I will end this video lecture here, and next topic I'm going to define the machine learning and the deep learning. See you there. Thank you very much.